Hey, Heather Marianna. Let me take off my shoes. I feel like I'm just towering over you right now. Let's get comfortable, right? Let's do our little warm-ups. We're getting ready for football season.
I know it officially starts tonight.
How cute are you? Look at you. She's got like the field here. We got all the snacks.
Football.
Yes. Okay, so we're talking about football food that can be used as beauty products.
Exactly.
What?
I know, right? Leave it to me to make something up like this.
Heather Marianna, she gets it done. Our beauty budgetista. Okay, so let's start with my favorite food, guacamole.
So you're obviously making dips for your football parties.
Yes.
I know a lot of you guys are probably preparing for tonight's big game.
Of course.
So avocado and tomato and lemon juice. Okay, it makes a great face mask. Tomatoes actually remove oil from your skin, and we all know that avocado is amazing.
Oh, it's wonderful for your skin.
A little bit of lemon juice not only makes it taste good, but it actually will help exfoliate your face.
So you can like exfoliate your face.
So and I just made all of this morning, so you can totally dig in if you want to.
You don't have to tell me twice. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I can put this on my face and just kind of like
so making stuff for your football party, leave a little extra for yourself. Okay, this dip here is great with veggies. It's great for lightening your skin. So it's sour cream, fresh parsley, and pureed cucumber. Yes.
Interesting. Okay. So if you have some blemishes or something.
Yes, it's great for lightening your skin, and the sour cream actually helps keep moisture in your skin, so it's very good for really dry skin.
That is so interesting. So just sour cream, a little parsley, and pureed cucumber.
Yep, and it tastes really good. It's very spa dip.
So you could eat that too. Let's go ahead and try that as well.
It's
and
very
we'll just go ahead and move on. We'll just eat and try things.
And then of course we all love hummus for parties. So chickpeas are a huge source of magnesium, which helps with sagging skin.
Oh, okay. So
it will help lift your skin.
I love it.
But it's also really amazing for your hair. It'll keep your hair shiny. Works for all types of hair.
Really? Chickpeas?
Yep. A little bit of lemon, also great. Fresh rosemary. Rosemary helps take free radicals out of your skin, like things you're exposed to, smog, pollution, things like that. So it's just really good for your skin.
Wow. So rosemary, lemon, and then the chickpeas.
Chickpeas ground, yes.
I love it. Can I just try that too?
Absolutely.
We're just going to try food and we're going to try it on our face at some point.
Exactly. So it's just a great thing.
And these recipes are on your website.
Yes, they are.
Yes.
HeatherMarianna.tv.
And listen, if they don't want to do all this, you can do the work for them. Tell them about this.
Yes, you can go to my website and use code INSTA20. Check out our all-natural products. And we also have some Dead Sea Mud eye gels that are awesome to wear during the football party.
I love these!
Yes, so you can look very football.
Like in football mode.
Yes.
Boom. It's like the little black things they put under their eyes.
Yes,
so cool.
But it's a collagen eye gel, so you can put them on while you're getting ready for your party.
I love it. Heather, thank you.
Thank
you are so sweet. She's so creative. Always comes up with some really cool stuff. Stay with us. We'll be right back.